Most people do not go broke from one massive, reckless purchase. They go broke from 100 quiet, invisible leaks. A subscription you forgot to cancel. A gym membership you intended to use. A premium app that quietly bills you every 30 days. It feels like $5 here and $10 there. It feels completely harmless. But over 12 months, these tiny leaks erode your peace of mind. They keep your bank account exactly where it was last year. Most budgeting advice tells you to sit down with a complex spreadsheet. They want you to manually track every coffee and every receipt. But that takes time, and honestly, it takes a lot of mental energy. That is where a simple, free AI tool changes things. Not to get rich quick, but to quietly plug the leaks. Let us look at the napkin math to see how we find our first $15. Let us open up the notepad and look at something practical. Imagine you earn a standard income, say $500 a week. Right now, $15 of that is vanishing into things you don't even use. That's less than the cost of a single movie ticket. It feels like nothing. But if you prompt a free AI tool with a simple command, things change. You copy and paste your raw bank statement from last month. You tell the AI, find every recurring charge, categorize them, and flag the ones I can cancel. In 3 seconds, it lays out the truth. That $11 app you used once last summer? The $4 cloud storage tier you don't need. There's your $15 a week sitting right there. Over a full year, that simple 3-second prompt saves you $780. You didn't have to work extra hours for it. You just stopped the bleeding. The second biggest leak is usually inside your kitchen. Food has become incredibly expensive over the last few years. Every time you walk into a grocery store without a strict plan, you lose money. You buy things you think you might cook, but life gets busy. By Friday, those ingredients are sitting at the bottom of the fridge, spoiling. Throwing away food is literally throwing away crisp dollar bills. But planning a weekly menu that is both cheap and healthy is exhausting. It takes an hour of searching recipes and matching them to store flyers. Most of us simply do not have the patience after a long day at work. So we order takeout instead, spending $40 on a single dinner. But there is a logical way to automate this entire decision-making process, and it starts with whatever random items are currently sitting on your shelves. Let us break down the grocery math on the board. The goal here is not to starve. It is to reduce your cost per meal by just $1. Think about it. If you eat 3 meals a day, that is 21 meals every single week. If you save just $1 on each meal, you keep $21 a week in your pocket. Here's how the AI does the heavy lifting for you. Open the app, take a photo of the random ingredients inside your fridge, and tell the AI, give me 3 cheap dinner recipes using only these items and basic pantry staples. Suddenly, that half-empty bag of rice and lonely chicken breast become a structured meal. You do not buy extra ingredients you will end up wasting. Add in a second prompt. Create a $50 weekly grocery list for a single person focused on high-protein, low-cost staples. It outputs an exact, optimized checklist in seconds. By sticking to that AI-generated list and avoiding impulse purchases, the average person easily cuts their food bill by $35 a week. That's money saved purely through better organization. There is another massive pool of money we willingly give away every month. It goes to your internet provider, your phone company, and your insurance agent. When you first sign up, they give you a beautiful promotional rate. But a year later, that promotion quietly expires. Your bill jumps by $20 or $30 a month, completely unannounced. We all notice it, and we all feel a slight wave of frustration, but very few people actually do anything about it. Why? Because we dread the confrontation. We hate the idea of sitting on the phone, arguing with a customer service rep, or trying to find the right words to negotiate. It feels awkward, uncomfortable, and time-consuming, so we accept the higher price as a tax on our peace of mind. But corporations count on this exact hesitation to maximize their profits. You do not need to be a master negotiator to fix this. You just need a script that uses calm, unyielding logic. Let us look at the math behind a simple message. Suppose your internet bill jumped from $50 a month to $75 a month. That is an extra $25 every single month for the exact same service. To get that money back, you ask the AI to write a polite, firm negotiation script. You type, "Write a short email to my internet provider asking to lower my bill back to the promotional rate, mentioning that a competitor offers it for less." The AI spits out a perfectly professional, non-aggressive draft. You copy it, paste it into the live chat or email support of your provider, and wait. 8 times out of 10, they will offer to lower your bill just to keep you from leaving. If you do this for your internet, your phone, and your car insurance, you can easily shave $50 a month off your fixed expenses. On our napkin, $50 a month breaks down to exactly $12.50 saved every week. It took you 5 minutes of copying and pasting text. That is a massive return on your time. When people talk about AI and finance online, they usually sell a fantasy. They show you complex algorithms, automated trading bots, or ways to generate cheap content to spam the internet. They promise that you can sit back on a beach while software prints money for you. But that path is full of hidden risks, high learning curves, and constant stress. The real value of these tools is much quieter and much more reliable. It is about leverage. It is about taking the tedious, boring financial tasks that you usually avoid and handing them off to a digital assistant. When you remove the friction from budgeting, budgeting actually happens. When you remove the awkwardness from negotiation, you actually save the money. You are changing your relationship with your finances from emotional to logical. You are using technology to protect your energy so you can focus on what matters. Let us do the final tally on the board and see where we stand. From our auto audit, we recovered $15 a week. From our optimized grocery planning, we saved $35 a week. From our quick utility negotiations, we saved $12.50 a week. That leaves us at $62.50. To reach our flat $100 goal, we use the AI for one final task: micro-freelancing or optimizing your primary work. Spend 1 hour a week using AI to draft emails, format documents, or proofread articles for local businesses at $40 an hour. Now look at the final math: $100 a week, saved or earned. That is $400 every single month. Over a single year, that is $5,200 cash sitting in your savings account. If you take that $400 every month and put it into a simple index fund, yielding a logical 7%, in 10 years, that turns into over $68,000. All because you used a free tool to look at your money a little differently. It is not magic, it's just math.